St. Elizabeth, if you know the party they reach, so you know say on New Year's Eve, or you have to ring in the New Year's, and I care who wants it. So if you know where the party there, you have to there, the party name 12 to 7. So we have bonfire, and you know some new, you know everything good. So, you know, walk with the money. Yeah. If you have come and broke, you alone it go sweet. Walk with the money. That way I did. Good blessing.
Few moments later.
Dancehall entertainer Moses Davis, stage name Beenie Man, slapped with 2 charges after he had an illegal party hosted recently. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 7 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, recently there was a news in the media that a summons has been issued for dancehall entertainer Beenie Man. Now we have an update in relation to that after charges have been laid against the dancehall entertainer in relation to a recent party that was hosted in November. So the St. Elizabeth police said that they are in possession of summons for dancehall entertainer Beenie Man, whose given name is Moses Davis, over an illegal party held in St. Elizabeth in late November. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Deputy Superintendent Nada Sims made the revelation to a media outlet recently. So there is a summons in possession of the police for Moses Davis, OC Beenie Man, for a party held on November 29, she stated. In the meantime, the police also are warning the entertainer and promoters of these events to desist because this is in breach of the Disaster and Risk Management Act, which guide the health protocols that are in place to limit the spread of the COVID virus. The warning come on the heels after concern raised by members of the Division Intelligence Unit about an event being promoted by Beenie Man to be held in St. Elizabeth between the hours of midnight and 7 a.m. Friday, January 1st, 2021. A video of the actual promotion of the event was posted to social media, and the police is actually asking people to desist from doing this. The police have stated that they will be maintaining a strong presence in the Area 3 Police Division in order to prevent illegal parties from being hosted in the St. Elizabeth, Clarendon and Manchester area. Now, in recent development, the dancehall entertainer has been slapped with 2 charges stemming from the recent event that was hosted in St. Elizabeth, and we're going to bring you up to date in relation to that right now on Links 7 TV. So dancehall star Beenie Man has been charged with breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act and the Noise Abatement Act in connection with an illegal party hosted in late November. The entertainer, whose real name is Moses Davis, turned himself into the Black River Police in St. Elizabeth on New Year's Eve after a summons was issued by the cops earlier in the day. The charges stem from an illegal party held in the parish on November 29. Beenie Man is scheduled to appear in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court on February 10 to answer to the charges. So that's basically the latest that we have to bring to you. So recently there was a video that made rounds on social media with Beenie Man actually promoting an upcoming event of a party that was supposed to be hosted in the area. So the police saw that and they actually acted on that information, and they actually issued a summons for the dancehall entertainer to turn himself into the police. This was the actual video that made rounds on social media that triggered the whole entire investigation. Let's go over to that.
St. Elizabeth, if you know the party they reach, so you know say on New Year's Eve, or you have to ring in the New Year's, and I care who wants it. So if you know where the party there, you have to there, the party name 12 to 7. So we have bonfire, and you know some new, you know everything good. So, you know, walk with the money. Yeah. If you have come and broke, you alone it go sweet. Walk with the money. That way I did. Good blessing.
So that was the actual video that made rounds on social media in relation to an upcoming event that was supposed to be hosted by the dancehall star. So he's actually slapped with 2 charges, and he actually have a February court date to attend in relation to those charges. But it's very sad to see that the entertainer would have gotten himself caught up in such a situation with all that is going on with the onset of the pandemic and how this is spreading worldwide. So it's very sad to see that someone would actually want to host a party in such a time like this. But we just have to just continue to just follow this story. But this is just very sad to see that the entertainer has gotten himself involved in such an activity. As you know, Beenie Man is one of our top local stars, and Beenie Man is no stranger to the music or no stranger to the police, because he has had it run-ins with the police before on various offenses as well. But Beenie Man still remain focused, still one of our top dancehall figures, and he still continues to dominate the music after so much years within the music business itself. So big up goes out to Beenie Man, and we hope that he does have a fair and transparent court date when it comes February. Any more information, we'll try to update you in relation to this, but this is just the latest that we have to bring to you, that the dancehall entertainer Beenie Man slapped with 2 charges. We're out for now. Peace out and bless.